If the wife and I are fussing, brother, that's alright. Me and my some woman got school license to fight. Why don't you mind your own business? Mind your own business. 'Cause if you mind your business, you won't be minding mine. The woman on the party line, she's the nosiest thing. She picks up a receipt for when she knows it's my ring. Why don't you mind your own business? Mind your own business. 'Cause if you mind your business, you won't be minding mine. Well, I got a little gal, she wears her hair up high. The boys all whistle when she walks by. Why don't you mind your own business? Mind your own business. 'Cause if you mind your business, you won't be minding mine. Minding other people's business seems to be high-toned. I got all that I can do just to mind my own. Why don't you mind your own business? Mind your own business. 'Cause if you mind your business, you won't be minding mine. If I want a honky-tonk around a 203, brother, that's my headache, don't you worry about me. Why don't you mind your own business? Mind your own business. If you mind your business, you won't be minding mine.